All competitive exam model paper part number 3rd. Very most questions start. First question, choose the sentence with the right word order. You have ever been to London? Second option, how you ever been to London? Third option, have you been ever to London? Fourth option, have you been to London ever? Right answer option B. Have you ever been to London? Correct answer want. Correct answer. This present to make a question in the present perfect tense, we put the auxiliary verb have in the first place. That comes the subject, the adverb, the verb, and the phrase of place. We should always put the adverb between two verbs, auxiliary and the verb in the past participle. Next question. Choose the sentence with the right word order. First option, Bad Milligan is a nice small town is Gramine. Second option, Bad Milligan is a small nice town is Gramine. Third option is Gramine Bad Milligan is a nice small town. Fourth option is Gramine Bad Milligan is a small nice town. Right answer option A. Bad Bligan is a nice small town is Grameen. Correct answer want. Yes, you are right. This present there is a creating word order in statements with the present simple tense subject auxiliary object when we need to use many objectives in one sentence. They should be placed in the following order: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, nice is an opinion objective and small refers to size. Next question. Choose the sentence with the rigid word order. First option, the Olympic take place every 4 years. Second option, every 4 years take place the Olympic. Third option, the Olympic take every 4 year place. Fourth option, take place the Olympic every 4 year. Right answer option A. The Olympic take place every 4 years. Correct answer. You are right. This present there is a creating word order in statements subject, predicate, object. The phrase take place should not be divided. Next question. Choose the sentence with the right word order. Option A, my husband returns early home at 7 p.m. Second option, my husband early returns home at 7 p.m. Third option, my husband returns home at 7 p.m. early. Fourth option, husband returns home at early 7 p.m. Right answer option B. My husband early returns home at 7 p.m. Correct answer. This present the adverb goes after the auxiliary verb, but if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, the adverb should be placed before the main verb. Next question. All question most. Choose the sentence with the right word order. Option A. You can show me the way to Westminster Abbey. Second option. Can show you maybe yeah or me the way to Westminster Abbey. Third option. Can you show me the way to Westminster Abbey? Fourth option. To Westminster Abbey. You can show me the way. Right answer option C. Can you show me the way to Westminster Abbey? Correct answer. Dispersion. When we want to ask a question with a modal verb, we must place it in the first place. Modal verb subject predicate object. Can is a modal verb. You a subject so a predicate. Me the way to the Westminster Abbey on object. Next question. Choose the sentence with the right word order. Option A. What your favorite color is. Second option. Is what your favorite color. Third option. What is your favorite color. Third option. Fourth option. Your favorite colors is what? Right answer option C. What is your favorite color? Correct answer want. You are right. Correct answer. Dispersion. The right word order in the WH question is question word auxiliary subject. What is question word is an auxiliary verb. Your favorite color is subject. Next question. Choose the sentence with the right word order. Option A. 5 years before in London had Kate met Jim. Option 2. Kate had 5 years before met Jim in London. Third option. Kate 5 years before had met Jim in London. Fourth option. Kate had met Jim in London 5 years before. Right answer option D. Kate had met Jim in London 5 years before. Correct answer. Dispersion. There is a creation word order in statements with the past perfect tense subject auxiliary predicate object when the need to mention information about time and place. It is better to say at first where and then when. Next question. Choose the sentence with the right word order. Option A. A famous American actress Marilyn Monroe was. Second option. Marilyn Monroe was a famous American actress. Third option. Marilyn Monroe a famous American actress was. Fourth option. Was Marilyn Monroe a famous American actress. Right answer option B. Marilyn Monroe was a famous American actress. Right answer is correct answer. Want. You are right. Correct answer. Dispersion. There is a creation word order in statement subject auxiliary object. Marilyn Monroe is a subject was on auxiliary verb a famous American actors an object. Correct. Next question. Choose the sentence with the right word order. Option A, 2500 kilometers long the Great Wall of China is. Second option, the Great Wall of China is 2500 kilometers long. Third option is the Great Wall of China 2500 kilometers long. Fourth option, the Great Wall of China 2500 kilometers is long. Right answer option B. The Great Wall of China is 2500 kilometers long. Correct answer 1. You are right. Correct answer. Dispersion. There is a creation word order in statement subject auxiliary object. The Great Wall of China is a subject is an auxiliary verb 2500 kilometers long an object. Next question. Choose the sentence with the right word order. Option A, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was in 1756 is Salzburg born. Second option, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was born in Salzburg in 1756. Third option, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was born in 1756 is Salzburg. Fourth option, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart in 1756 in Salzburg was born. Option B, correct answer. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Decision. There is a creation word order in statements subject, auxiliary, predicate, object when the need to mention information about time and place. It is better to say as first where and then when. Thanks for watching. हम आपसे कामना करते हैं कि आप हमसे खुश रहें। धन्यवाद। हमसे जुड़े रहें, वीडियो के लाभ उठाते रहें। पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब।